What is up, everyone? July is in the books, and another wild month with the Iran war. We had FOMC interest rate. We had lots of earnings. We had large swings in the market. So just very difficult to trade delta neutral in this environment. So let's take a look at overall. Let's start off with actually, let's go here first. Let's just do a quick summary. So, zero DTE iron condors or my TLC trades. Really red month here. Minus 8,830. So I'll touch more on those trades in just a second. Earnings trades didn't have very many until this week, and again they just continued to. These trades are just fun trades for me, but they're starting to get to where they're becoming annoying because I'm just picking most of the time on earnings. Most of the time, I'm picking bullish, and they're just the probabilities just aren't playing out. You would think over time, you'd at least be 50-50, but I'm not. So I just keep, thinking I'm gonna get they're gonna swing back towards working for me here, but it's just been difficult. Anyway, one DTE back in the green today, plus 2,000, or not today, but this month, plus 2,225. Mahomes, plus 4,624. Continues to be a nice trade. FOMC was green. We had a FOMC here on Wednesday of this week. So overall, minus $1,161 for the month. So not bad considering really bad July TLC price action iron condors. So let's take a little bit more of a look here. TLC trades, 12 total winners, 11 losers, 52% win percentage. So just not good enough. I mean, and quite honestly, let me open up my Thinkorswim. I thought this was open, but it wasn't. Quite honestly, it's just not the environment. So, it's not that I'm not going to tweak anything. I'm not going to say it's not working anymore. I mean, when you look at, you know, I'm still plus 42,970 for the year. So it's just a really tough environment right now for this type of strategy. So the delta neutral. So I'm going to keep, my plan is to just keep going, keep doing it. But I will most likely in August size down even more. I've sized down from 10 down to 6, and now I'll probably going down to 4 or 3 contracts. It's just not something that's conducive. This environment is just not good for the delta neutral right now. Theta decay is all over the place. I mean, look at like today. You had a little bit here of what's considered consolidation, but you know, price went price was in a 110-point range. And look at yesterday. Well, that's what we're seeing. We're just seeing these just ridiculous range days. I mean, you're just not seeing consolidation. Huge rip up. Maybe you get a little bit in here, but it's just this whole environment is just, you get these big moves just directional. So it just makes it very, very difficult to trade price action iron condors. And so I'm just going to size down. That's just what I'm going to do. When you take a look at earnings for July, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. You figured I'd go 3 and 3. Nope. 1 and 5. You can see it's just been, I think my earnings trades, where was that? I thought I had it written somewhere. So I can have it on this piece of paper here. 15 wins and 32 losses. And this is just picking most of the time just bearish with, $200 to $400, $500 max loss. And they're really starting to add up on me. So minus 3,704 for the year so far. One DTE, okay, minus 2,000 or plus 2,225. So overall, one DTE, 8 winners, 1 loser. So only 9 total trades. So didn't qualify a lot. And then finally, well, I take that back. Mahomes. If I can get filled, I run Mahomes. I usually do 2, 4, 6 contracts. Usually, well, I'm sorry, usually 2 to 4 contracts. Sometimes 6, sometimes 8. And then FOMC had 2 good FOMC trades. If you look at that, so I had a $900 winner on the Crean. Again, this is a bot trade. Same thing with this FOMC Iron Condor. So plus 1,170. So overall, only minus 1,161, but I hate to be red. And so as I roll into August, I'm going to keep. My dogs always seem to want to fight with each other when I'm on the mic, but I'm just going to go a little bit. I'm going to go smaller on price action iron condors in August, because until this Iran war, and this is dated back to, like, I don't know what, February maybe. Who knows how long this is going to go, but it's just been pretty wild swings, not much consolidation. So the only thing I really know to do right now is just size down on those. So anyway, I'll try to get back into the green in August. Hope everyone has a good weekend, and take a little break from trading here. I'll see everybody back on Monday. Have a good one. Peace.